Hi, y'all. I decided that I'm going to share my TikTok journey with you guys because I didn't think that this was real. Like, I kept seeing these ads popping up on my TikTok, and I bought a whole bunch of crap. It's like impulse buying. But it didn't occur to me to put my own product on there until I saw someone else's product, because you can see how many they've sold. And I did the math on what they sold and what they're selling it for. And I was like, well, hold on a minute. So I put a couple of products on there last week. I put them on there, I think the Tuesday of Black Friday. I have done $2,000 since then, and it's less than 10 days. Yeah. So I'm going to start sharing my journey because there's a lot to learn. And I think I've made all the mistakes in a week. Like, for instance, you have to have the stuff en route within 3 days, not leaving your place in 3 days. It has to be at the post office and on its way in 3 days to keep your score down so that you can get all the, promotional things and stuff like that. I got stuff. Yeah, put it this way. I'm late on a couple of things. Not late, but not within the 3-day window. The other big thing these are the two big things, like right out the gate. You don't get paid until 15 days after they receive the package. So for me, I'm not having to front buying any of this stuff because I'm using stuff that I already have, because again, I'm a manufacturer. So I'm in my factory. I got stuff just sitting around. I'm making stuff right now. So we're making stuff all the time. So I'm not having to buy anything. So it's not killing me to be out of pocket the money, to front it or whatever. But yeah, this is a real thing. And it's only been a couple of months that TikTok has had the TikTok shop. So I'm going to be sharing my journey. If you have a product, I would advise you to get on it. If you don't have a product, I would advise you to get one, because people are making a lot of money and there are a lot of incentives for you to do it.